Pleasant hello and welcome to LSUIC News Update, a month of leadership and legacy. I'm Victor Wim and I'm delighted to bring you highlights of the Liberian students in China activities for the month of October, a period marked by the leadership, government and cultural unity. In October, LSUIC continued to strengthen its foundation through governance reforms, outreach programs, and dynamic student engagement across China. From the inauguration of new city leaders to national visitations and inspirational campus events.
Having been elected or appointed as
the union once again demonstrated its dedication to service, inclusion, and progress. A true reflection of our motto, excellence through hard work. We now bring you strengthening our foundation, leadership, and governance. October was a defined month for LSUIC as the union strengthened its leadership and governance structure. The official oath of office ceremony welcomed newly appointed city-level officials across China, symbolizing a renewed dedication to service and representation. At the same time, the Constitution Review Committee was also established to modernize and reform the union's guiding documents, ensuring it reflects the realities and aspirations of the current student body. In line with these reforms, the Senate engagement and leadership to the people's initiatives deepened the connection between leadership and membership. These actions proved that leadership goes beyond titles. It's about accessibility, transparency, and shared growth. October's achievements have truly laid a stronger foundation for a more responsive and united LSUIC.
In another development, the leadership of the Liberian Students' Union in China continues to prioritize engagement and empowerment with specific emphasis on students' welfare and development. This month, LSUIC placed students' welfare and empowerment at the center of its agenda. The Welfare Committee conducted a student survey to gather insights that will improve services and strengthen engagement. The successful new student orientation program also ensured that new Liberian students were warmly welcomed and well guided as they adjusted to life and study in China. Additionally, the union collaborated with the Liberian Embassy on key student affairs, including graduate data and welfare discussions, reinforcing the partnership between the student body and the diplomatic mission. The financial literacy and fundraising program further equips students with essential financial management skills, empowering them beyond the classroom.